my size.
He might be in 295s there. Now look, this is not the kind of morning we envisaged at a truck show. Pissing rain. I get this in Scotland.
But look, what's that?
We're going on a mission. We're going in the pickup.
Yeah, but look, we've got our own space.
We're going to near Scania to get an alternator for the 113. It's shut itself.
But
My job this morning.
Yeah.
Busman's holiday. You're painting a holiday and I'm mechanicking. Oh. Cheers, brother. We'll be back shortly.
No problem.
He bailed us out.
No, I said tea bags and coffee.
Tea bags and coffee.
Tea bags and coffee.
I've got tea bags in there. And coffee.
You sure?
Yeah. Okay. I've got some Yorkshire tea, drive.
Well,
Let's go. Don't find out I'll find Yorkshire tea over here.
it feels like you're in Yorkshire, doesn't it? Oh, seaweed.
Oh yeah. The piss and the wit.
Seaweed.
It'll be well full up today. That's very light. I'll be honest, yeah.
That looks right on that.
Yeah, just thinking of. Yeah. He's got the oilskins on. Deliveroo.
100 yards, we are going left.
Left. What is left again?
Links.
Links. You're learning, Darren.
Yeah, boy. I just thought we'd
Food
go
of Wasteland. Wasteland.
snacks, frites. They love the frites, don't they?
Yeah, we're lucky about that.
Straight on. Sorry.
Oh, fuck's sake, Darren. You don't wait 2 minutes.
No, because
Good job there's not sense in this bloody YouTube channel. Oh, Jesus.
Should have put the camera on it.
Look. Thank you.
Thank you. What was that one saying to you that day?
Oh, you ride the snail. You ride the snail.
Ride the snail.
And the guy says, you fucking drive too fast. I couldn't. Oh, hot for drama. I must say that was, your aftershave smell better. Oh, just gonna say.
100 yards left.
Whew.
What is this?
It's for the shit. Oh,
I can be bothered to fill the hole and put a barrier. Oh, harbours.
oh, left.
Turkish. Left, yeah, here.
No. Indicator's broken, mate, is
See,
it?
these roads are a bit...
Bear to the right?
Yes.
Oh, tell you what, the rain here is as bad as home.
It is, isn't it?
Jesus. Keeps the dust down.
Oh, this is very
Wet.
boulangerie.
Boulangerie. Wow.
What's that word?
Boulangerie.
That's definitely a French word.
I prefer the other one. Lingerie. Yeah. Boulangerie.
Yeah, around to the right at the end here.
Rex.
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 Rex and links.
Oh.
Oh! Digging up the monument.
I think they're repairing the monument.
Oh. A bit quiet. Just don't go to work on a Saturday around here.
No. European.
They struggle to work in the week. 1.5 kilometres, then we're off to the right.
Off to the right.
HGV trucks direct. French road.
Belgian.
Belgian road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got them in there. Forget. Got here. Weybridge.
Weybridge, yeah. Pretty tight there in the old Vabus, wouldn't it? Axel. Oh.
Foley.
Oh yeah. Crazy fog.
Is this, I suppose, the it's been a bit of water.
Yeah. Can you not tell? Oh. Taxi. I thought it was the police. Look, driving school with a trailer. Sports Direct.
Where?
Left turn, Clyde.
Oh my God. I wonder, is the stuff cheaper over here?
No. Well, not. We went to Amsterdam, myself and Tracy, and honestly, stuff there was a lot more expensive than the shops in the UK.
Really?
Yeah.
What, as in
Amsterdam.
clothing?
Yeah.
But then like booze and all that stuff's cheaper.
Backy.
Yeah.
Not like
sort of
smoke.
cheaper.
Yeah, a lot cheaper.
But clothing and that's dearer.
Are you watching the sun, have you?
Yeah. 600 metres. Oh no, it's sort of keeping the right hand lane though.
Alright.
It'll go to 3 lanes.
3 lanes? Are you sure?
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, sorry, that's a filter lane, right? Okay. You haven't
Sorry. filter to the right. Oh, mind these.
Filter to the right.
I've learned they don't like indicating, do they? All
No.
he is.
Wasteland shopping.
What's up?
What's up? Are we going to this one or the next one? Straight up?
No, straight on. So you've got to be in.
Oh, not that one then. Oh, this one. Alright, we're not going Wasteland shopping then. Oh, I'm so excited. Bistro. Ah, Euro shop. We have to go in there.
Oh, yeah, we do have to go in there. Oh,
Albert Heijn, that's a supermarket.
I think we probably should have done that.
Oh, fuck. Come on. Right, cut. Darling. Disaster.
There's no such thing as disaster.
We've come for the new alternator, which is supposed to arrive from Germany, because of the rain. Isn't it?
Too small?
Yeah, too small. You have a wider one. Yeah. Yeah, no, they've got one. You want coffee, darling? Coffee with milk and lime.
I've just turned it that way.
Yeah, but I mean, she's got a proper one. We'll cut it, yeah.
So what is then?
The solution. I've got a voltage regulator pack there my friends give me that I can probably use.
So what is it doing then? So
Overcharging. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est?
So it's not stopping when
Les
it is.
brum.
cheeky.
I didn't put it up. This is ICT truck spares in Belgium.
Lots of gloves.
It is pouring down. Yes, perfect. Look at that. So lucky I had my logbook and my driver's license.
Yes.
Yes.
Like cats.
Kits. So we got the Belgian plates, red and white. You like that?
Yeah. Very good. Oh, they do red back round.
I
don't
did
they?
see that as well.
Oh,
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, we're going standard. I think that's vintage. We're classic.
But one green.
Mr.
Mr. Payne green.
Oh yeah. Yeah, imagine. Hello.
Will they do one that says fuck all?
I can't do. He can clean a dash. He did a very good job on my camion yesterday. I must say, I found his forte. Not only is he good with the dancing.
It was about an hour and a half doing his.
Oh, good, he's got another hour this morning. I mean, what do you think of that, darling?
That's good. That's a lot quicker than cats.
What, did you say that out loud?
And she's pressing them by hand.
Did you say that out loud?
That's a lot quicker.
Yeah. No.
They didn't need your birth certificate neither, did they?
No, darling.
I like that. Why can't we do them? Are they legal if they're black and white in the UK and yellow and black?
And now foreign.
Still sounds like there's something going on in the back there.
Yeah, the money making machine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Impressive. Ching ching. Look, McDonald's, 3 minutes. How do they know what speed I'm driving at to get 3 minutes? I could do it in 30 seconds.
Yeah, or walking.
Yeah, exactly. So how do they justify 3 minutes?
We shall have to test that theory later. I'll drive you.
Wasteland, are we going right here?
Antwerpen. No, you're going like that up here a bit.
Not here?
No, not here.
You sure?
No.
All right, just checking.
This last time we did mess up. Probably this one.
Okay.
Well, another driver put it on his drive. Like
Oh yeah, Lascagna, he's okay, I'll let him there. Oliver Biss. Yeah, it's been wet. Oh no, it's Lascagna, look. Jacques Remy.
And then we've got another one of them up here.
Urns, okay, so we're staying this lane.
Ritz.
Ritz, yes. You're learning, Darren? Fluent
Yeah.
in foreign. Yeah, no. Yeah, oui. Well, yeah.
So this one here, it's
Yeah, this is the
a
shopping.
Ritz in
We're going to the supermarché.
Supermarché.
That's not paper mache.
No. Oh, Euro shop.
Yes, not industrial parking.
Are we going to the gym and all of that? Looks like a health gym over there.
Well, no, going in there.
Well, maybe if you ain't going wrong. You're going wrong, mate.
I'm not. You told me.
No.
So we're going Wasteland shopping for tea bags, coffee, and I found your shop here.
You have.
I have, because you can give me this statement of I'm not going to spoil it. But I've seen this coming in. Gonna find what else are we looking for in here?
Tea, coffee.
Yeah, stuff for you.
Yeah.
And where's the shop?
Oh, the Audi. Pedro's. There's Pedro's. That's all. All right, Pedro. That's what you always say.
Pedro.
You like Pedro? Yeah. Look a bit of the pan. Fresh bread.
Look at it.
La patisserie. Oh, gremlins.
What's that?
You're putting your trainers in. Oh, I see.
Big tongue was sticking out.
I bet it was. Do you like a bike?
Right.
I reckon there's even
How would you know?
Rally chopper in there.
Oh, rally chopper. Oh, must be
Them in
leftovers.
there. That's the vintage.
Yeah.
Oh my. What are these actually people's?
Yes, Darren, they are people's bikes.
What, they just dump them there and they don't want
they
them
don't
no more?
dump them, mate. That's like
So
park
where
and
have they
ride.
gone then?
Park and ride. Where are we going here?
Right. Well, then left.
All right, right and left.
So what they do?
Park and go on the train. Park and ride.
There ain't that many people on the pissing train. It's a lot of bikes there.
A lot of bikes. Oh, look, we have. Oh, SK Mercedes.
I think she just swore at us.
Oh, cunt.
It was a separate
Oh,
crossing.
pardon me, I didn't mean to see that.
It was a separate crossing that we didn't zebra.
No, never seen no zebras. Two
Oh.
SK Mercedes he's got there.
Oh, I'm not blowing that rear back end in.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just
second
to see.
oh.
I like this. I like that. The stacks. I don't like his poles look a bit wide, don't they?
Oh, look how the ladders go up. Well, what the ladders for though?
Ladders?
On the back.
That's not
the
ladders.
A-frame.
Oh,
it's on the
yeah,
left-hand
yeah,
side.
yeah.
What's that for? Cleaning your roof?
Cleaning your stack pipe.
Cleaning your pipe. I've got to clean my pipe. Is there a truck show going on here today?
Yes.
And do you know what? The riffraff has been put where?
We're
In the corner.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, who are them?
Oh, yes.
Oh, well, that's nice. 142. Oh, who's that?
Not too well, look.
142's nice. Who are these?
The Volvo.
What's he doing there?
Oh,
Who's got the brightest white in the country?
yes, we have. Ding.
I see parts.
Wait, where did you take the
These
bu-
are not English.
Oh. What have you got here? What have you got?
The number plate. And plat. Do not break, I'll be.
If this goes in, this is going to be a nice little church. Oh,
What do you mean?
Krakatoa. Oh, chef beef, Belgian.
I'm the Belgique Scania.
Very
Belgique.
Tech working on the reality.
This is
Come on.
Mark Farrow,
Mark Farrow, are you hearing this?
and I am the BBC overseas correspondent.
Oh my god.
Right, on
Yeah.
the silly Scanias trip in Belgium.
What are we doing then?
I tell you something.
Come on then, tell me.
The person behind this camera knows more about Scanias than Alan Titchmarsh knows about Gardner.
And I do. You on the 17 as well for the bottom bolts? Yeah, 17. Wherever you want. Yeah.
I don't want to put it on your truck because the bugger walks off with it.
Yeah.
okay?
Just leave it down there on it. I'll keep hold of it for a minute.
Tom has saved the day too. It's a brush pack.
Oh fuck.
Look at that.
We perhaps should order
I've
keep
got-
one of those.
Yeah.
I thought I had.
Ah, he's got some Mark Riven wire.
I don't need it.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, I don't need
it.
it.
I thought you was doing the job.
Well, I was, but he took over, didn't he?
Nothing changes there, see?
Volvo Tech. I think he wants to work in the real truck. None of this pish here. I want to work in Rolls Royce to them.
Yeah. Nothing changes.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.
Go on then.
Did you say Rolls Royce?
Rolls Royce.
Yeah. And I'll tell you what. In your case, love don't live here anymore. Do it?
Oh yeah. On that note, we'll cut. Saturday, Daz is valeting. Richard has got the marigolds on. Richard does lots of fuck all. Look.
Lots of football.
Yes. He's been my valeting division. I can tell. Look. Oh, Richard, you have excelled. We are good.
No. C'est beau. Molto beau.
Darren!
I noticed something.
So Darren, do you remember the Peckham Spring episode?
Yes, indeed.
And look, we have the Jolly Boys Truck Show Cine 2025, and we have our specially own branded beer, Nipper style, Jolly Boys Monge 2 Truck Show Cine. These are going to be for sale at Cine, and all proceeds are going to cancer. We're raising money for cancer. That's what we're doing with the bottles.
€5 a bottle.
I know, but is it like we're not getting any money out of it?
No, yes, we do. €5 bottles.
Yeah. I do like that. Boom. Monge 2, mate.
Monge 2. The Nipper Spring. Let's wait for them out of the town.
Oh my god. Oh. Yes, Darren, let's go and have a walk for the content. Yeah, that was XPWT Thermal. Where was lunch? Down there, did they say? Same place as yesterday. Let's go and have a wee look this way. And walk down.
I like that.
Yeah, that is cool, isn't it? Yeah, I love their fleet. That OLB 149, good number too, look. LB 141. It sounded lovely when it came in. Oh, F86. Oh, look, Darren. Look at them all. Yeah. Oh, there's the boys there, look. You wouldn't believe now, it was supposed to rain here all day. Look at the tank of that, it's been well hit. That is an early one though, it's got 142 spring hangers on it. She is an early one, boy. Oh, that's short, isn't it? Look at the pin. Look at the back of that teacup. Isn't it? Bussing. Oh, I like that. That's a bit of me there, look. Aye. That's a bit of me. Hey, look, we're getting on TV. Oh, the babies. Dunno. Yeah. Look at that. Autocar. He says you have to get 50 tachographs of beers.
Yeah, 50 tachographs, right?
Oh, over there.
You're used to leaving the same one in, aren't you?
No, it's like that.
Yeah.
Out.
You can rewind them, can't use them again.
That's a cassette. So I'm buying some merchandise. What's your name? Jocha. Mats and Dad. Eric. See, look. All the Scania pictures. This is what happens at the classic truck show. I buy some beer, then some Scania merchandise. I'm gonna look for like 3 series. Streamline. Ah, perfect. Look at that. 20 euros all in. See, he's got it. Look. Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay.
Scania.